Now it's working. Hey, Stubby. Little bitty thing. Hey, Stumpy. Nothing but a stump for a tail. Now, there's little Blackie. Right there, he's so tiny. Yeah, he is. He's a tiny little kitten. But he's the same age as these other ones. Yeah, he's so tiny and so pretty. Yes, he is. He loves to be petted too. Behave yourself, Fuzzy. That's one of your kittens. And behave. Hey, Pinky. Mommy jumped on you, didn't she? Yeah. There's little Whitefoot. And there's Stubby. Stumpy. That's Stumpy. He ain't got no tail at all. There's another little black and white kitten there. And then there's little Blackie. He's so cute. He's so tiny. Yeah, he is. He's a tiny kitten. You pretty though, Blackie. Yes, you are. You're so tiny. But he's 3.5 months old. There's Stubby laying over there in the shade. He got a little stub of a tail. Stumpy, that's Stumpy. Hey, Smut. Yeah, somebody messing with some kittens over here, ain't they? Yeah, there's some food in there for y'all still. Yeah. That's Stubby. That's Stumpy. Stumpy ain't got no tail. No. They pretty though. Yeah, all of y'all are pretty. Yeah. Come here, little Blackie. Come here, boy. I want to pet you a little bit. I want y'all to see how little he is. When I put my hand down there, you can tell I do not have huge hands. I just got a little tiny kitten. He's only 3.5 months old. But he's a miniature, and he's pretty. Everybody that watches this, I appreciate it. Thank y'all. Bye.